important pillar of Industry 4 is augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality is a blending of interactive digital elements like dazzling visual overlays, buzzy haptic feedback, or other sensory projections into our real world environments. Augmented reality is a result of using technology to superimpose information, sounds, images, and text on the world we see. Virtual reality technology is used to create immersive experiences that can help educate and even entertain consumers. Outside of its popular gaming use case, virtual reality is applied to a variety of industries such as medicine, architecture, military, and other production areas. In this video, we will try to understand what is augmented reality, what is virtual reality, and how virtual reality and augmented reality can be used in the Industry 4 domains. Augmented reality overlays digital content and information onto the physical world as if they are actually there with you in your own space. And when you compare with virtual reality means means computer-generated environments for you to interact with and be immersed in. Augmented reality, also called AR, adds to the reality you would ordinarily see rather than replacing it. Augmented reality, it is creating a connection and end-to-end experiences between the customer and the product, an experience from design to manufacture to delivery. Using the state-of-art technology to both customer experiences and make your production line more efficient is a winner all-around situation. And now we will try to, through a video, we will try to understand what is augmented reality in the Industry 4.
Augmented reality, AR, is a process by which digital elements are integrated into a real-world or live background. Businesses operate in the real world, which seems to demand real-world solutions to problems presented by employee training, the assembly of complex products, system maintenance, quality assurance, field service during high-level expertise, and so on. Yet working within real-world boundaries is time-consuming, expensive, inefficient, poses inherent physical risks to both life and property, and sets definite limits on the speed by which ideas can be translated into products. Here as elsewhere, there is tension between old ideas and new technologies. The business which clings to the mentality that real-world problems demand real-world solutions will be at a disadvantage. Those who recognize the inherent advantages of integrating augmented reality into the real-world business place. Here as elsewhere, a misguided sense that the old way is best, or a simple failure to grasp the advantages offered by digital integration, is at the root of many business failures. Augmented reality has far-reaching benefits, which include cost reduction, risk reduction, time reduction, and improved knowledge transfer. It is extremely useful for complex assembly, maintenance, remote expert support, QA, and automation by vastly improving the efficiency of worker-job interaction. It also increases the speed by which concepts and options can be reviewed, adjusted, and modified, leading to rapid iterative design cycles and ultimately products, and helps structure and optimize the location and flow of production lines. Our technological landscape is changing. Industry 4.0 technologies are an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment. Reach out to the Michigan Manufacturing Technology Center.
We will try to see in the next video, we will try to understand what is augmented reality and virtual reality in Industry 4. we saw that augmented reality and virtual reality give you that immersive experience by you actually, without actually dwelling too much on the equipment, you can see how what the equipment feels like or how the process is going to happen, and thereby saving you a lot of costs, unnecessary costs, and also providing you with safety. Let us see how augmented reality is used in the production through this video. You can see here how it's operating on equipment. The tool is guiding and telling you the measurements. There's a screen here. Here you saw that how an operator was working on equipment, and he was being told what are the actual pressures which are coming in here, so that he can actually perform the job better without actually using other tools too for the measurement part of it. What are the applications of augmented reality and virtual reality in the industry? We look at design and prototyping. Here, virtual reality can demonstrate how a product will look like without actually creating a physical prototype. In the inventory management, augmented reality can guide in inventory locations, leading to better management. Both these tools can help you in preventing accidents and disruptions by simulating the production environment. Potential threats can be eliminated thereby. The real-time employee instruction can be provided by these tools by developing customer solutions, by guiding workers in their workplace. It can also lead to reduced expenses by eliminating costly training and error phrase. It can also lead better quality by increased precision to work. So we realize that augmented reality and the virtual reality are the important components and the pillars of Industry 4, which have really changed the way today's industry work, and especially it has really helped in simulating the production environment and in diagnosing the repairs part of it. Thank you.